Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is the first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Support me, show me love. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for supporting me and showing me love. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. I'm grateful. Thank you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the products I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. All the names of the products I'm using. Next, I'm using a concealer to contour my cheek and contour my nose as well. Blending the nose contour. Next, I'm using a setting powder. I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlight and bake as well. Sorry guys, I'm using a natural lighting, so the light is going up and down. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. Bronze the cheek, bronze the forehead. I'm using it to all the places, all the parts of my face that I use contour. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Next is brows. I'm using David's brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows and define it more. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base too. Next is eyes. First, I'm using a brown shade, brown orangey shade as my transition color for my crease. Next, I'm using a deeper brown to darken it a little bit. Outer crease and inner crease, just a little. Darken it a little bit. Next is lid, and I'm using this red shade for my eyelid. Ready. Red shade for the eyelid. Red. Next, I'm blending the edges. So there are no sharp lines. I'm using the same red shade for my lower lash line. Next is eyeliner. I'm lining my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. Little wing. Next is mascara. Little mascara for the eyes to prepare it for the first lashes. Now it's for lashes. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend the face, to smoothen it. Blend everything together to smoothen the face. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. It's the Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish to highlight the face. Highlight the face. Next, I'm using this Fix Plus spray from MAC to set my makeup, and a little mascara for the lower lash line. Next is lips. I'm using this Lipstain liquid matte leaky proof lipstain from Zika Cosmetics to line my lips. Then I'm using a concealer, Elegant Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Almond for my lips today. Concealer and lip stain for lips, and it's so good. I'm adding a clear lip gloss to my lips. It's good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to show me love. Support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.